On the previous slide, you should have seen the math terms. A trend line is a line drawn on a scattered plot to show the correlation or association between two sets of data. Work as a group to predict the number of seconds it will take to pass the book through the whole class. A. Place a trend line on the scatter plot in item 4 in a position that your group feels best models the data, then mark 2 points on the line. B. In the spaces provided below, enter the coordinates of the 2 points identified in part A. C. Why does your group think that this line gives the best position for the modeling of the scatterplot data? Okay, so it tells me to first mark a trend line. Now, a trend line is a line drawn on the scatterplot to show the correlation or association between two sets of data. So I want to draw a line that I feel goes through this set of data the best. Well, I could draw a line like this, but this makes no sense because notice how far it is away from these dots, but it's really close to these dots. We want it to go more along the lines of something like this, right? Now, it doesn't have to touch every dot there is, but we want it to be as close as possible to most of the points. Okay. And I'm going to do this in a different color so we can kind of see it. Let's go right there. I like this line. Now, when we draw this, not everybody's line is going to look exactly the same. That is key. Please don't keep that in, if yours looks different than somebody else's, don't be worried. It's okay. All right? So I drew my trend line. That's this line right here. Trend line. And this was 7A. Now, it says mark and identify 2 points on this line from that we just drew. Okay, so let's find us 2 points on this line. Okay, this is what I see. Let's see if I can. Let me use the pen that I just used, okay? I see this point. It goes through this crosshair right here. And this point looks to be 15, 18. 15, 18. All right, let's look for another one. Ooh, that's a good one right there. That was one of our original points, which was 9, 11. So 15, 18, and 9, 11. So I'm going to put those down here at the bottom. We're going to say 9, 11, which was actually one of our original points, and 15, 18. And it says, why do we think that this is the best position for modeling the scatterplot? Kind of goes through majority of our data. Falls between majority of our data. On to the next set of debriefing.